boys and girls. So your activity this morning is to look at the sentences Miss Nixon has given you, and we are going to use some connectives to join the two sentences together, okay? So what is a connective? Now, a connective is a word that we use that will bring two sentences together to make a longer one, okay? So it brings two sentences and makes it one. So I'm going to give you a minute just to have a go at reading some of the connectives in the yellow square, okay? So you've got this one. Diane, but, so, then, if, next, and because. And they are all words that we can put between two sentences to make one big one, okay? So I want you to have a look. What connective could be used to join these two sentences together? Now, my first sentence in the top red box says, Sarah put on her coat. Now, we know that's the end of a sentence because it's got our full stop. And our second sentence is, it was raining. So which one of these words underneath could I use to make these sentences one? So Sarah put on her coat. Next, it was raining. What do you think? No, you're right. That doesn't make sense. Sarah put on her coat, so it was raining? No. Sarah put on her coat because it was raining. Diane, she put her coat on because it was raining, but the most important thing you now need to remember is we don't need a full stop here because we're going to have one long sentence. Sarah put on her coat because it was raining, full stop. Let's have a look at the next one. Mia licked her lolly. It melted. Mia licked her lolly, then it melted. Mia licked her lolly, but it melted. Or Mia licked her lolly because it melted. Which one of those words do you think makes the most sense? Diane, because. Mia licked her lolly because it melted. And one more. The spider spun a web. He could catch a fly. So the spider spun a web, but he could catch a fly. The spider spun a web, so he could catch a fly. Or the spider spun a web, next he could catch a fly. What do you think makes the most sense? Diane, the spider spun a web so he could catch the fly. So your job is to have a look at the sentences Miss Nixon has put on the document on our website, or it's on our paper copy learning. I have written the sentences down, and you need to choose one of these three connectives, but, because, and so, to see which one fits in the blank. Now, I would really be impressed if you could copy the sentence out and then write in your connective word, the word that's going to bring the two sentences together, because it's really good practice for our letter formation and our sentences using full stops, finger spaces and capital letters. Keep up your amazing learning, and Miss Nixon will see you soon.